Skybird. This is Dropkick with a red dash alpha message in 2 parts. Break.
All right, folks, we're back. Got the decanting tool out here, and today we are going to be opening up some 9mm diodes. These are 808. I'm practicing a custom-built, for a custom-built diode, and I'm going to try it first with 808, seeing as they are not too expensive, and I have a bunch on hand, fully functional diodes. So I'm just showcasing the decanter here. This is how we gently take our cans off. I figured to give a nice up-close view. And what we're going to be doing is trying to remove that gain chip off the diode. You see that little square block in the center there with the bonding wires attached to it. That's your chip. Decided that ball is a thermal sensor, and I'm going to heat this thing up, and you can see it melt just below the face of the diode, the output window. So the material here is indium, and I'm heating it up to a point that the indium melts, but not to the point that I damage the diode itself, or the die, as you call it. And there's a quick and simple removal of it. And the idea here is I'm going to try a few different things, and I'm going to post videos. There's another view of the chip, and the idea is going to be transplanting different diode chips. I'm going to try for multi-emitters, and I'm going to try for a few other things, including some high power 808s. I have a couple of DPSS builds I want to do. I have some high power crystal sets, and I don't want to spend the $300 for the proper 808, so I'm going to make my own. And so while I was in on this idea, I also had the idea to do some transplanting for various purposes. There's another view of the chip, the underside, which is not too often seen. Still attached to the bonding wires. I've got a good sense of how to move these around, and without damaging anything. So just showing the top sides and testing my camera out. Doing this again with the camera running is not too easy. So this is more or less a teaser for upcoming projects. I'm going to be going for multi-output single emitters. Well, emitter as in the diode. There's another can being popped off. I'll show you what the proper tool does to it. Doesn't make it too messy. So tune in, guys. Subscribe. Throw a like if you feel like it. And hit the notification bell. There's a chip without bonding wires. This was some sort of factory screw up. Anyways, the projects are going to start getting interesting. So if you want to get those updated videos when I upload, hit the subscribe button and share. That never hurts. If you want to share your interest with your family, friends, by all means, post on Facebook or wherever. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the quick video. Just to give you an idea of what the projects will be entailing in the near future. It's going to be some interesting stuff. I got some good ideas to work with here. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one.